How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to class computer. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 2, more on Windows 7. Here is a part 1 of chapter number 2. Before starting chapter number 2, first of all I want to give you answer key for chapter number 1 objectives. Do you get all answer of that objectives or not? If you get your answers, then cross check with my answers. Here is a fill in the blanks answer. Quickly take a snapshot of the fill in the blanks and then afterward tally it with your answers. Here is a true or false answer and here is a multiple choice question answer. Now I am waiting here. You all take screenshot of this screen and afterward tally your answers with my answers, and if anything wrong, if you write down anything wrong, then write it correctly. Now let us start with our new session of chapter number 2. In this session we are going to learn about Windows Media Player, how to rip and burn a CD and DVD. Now let us start with Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player runs and organizes digital media files. Why we use Windows Media Player in our computer? It is used to run a digital media file. Means you want to listen music, songs, poems, anything. Then at the time Windows Media Player is used. Even you want to watch cartoon movies or watching any videos, at the time also Windows Media Player is used. You can using Windows Media Player, both audio and video available in the computer memory. We can listen to radio station also from all over the world if internet connection is available. Except this, listening songs and watching videos, you can listen radio station also, but using this Windows Media Player. But if you have internet connection, then only. This software allows us to play, copy and create CD DVDs and copy music and videos to portable devices. It means what? Windows Media Player only not allow to listen music and watch the video. It also allows to play music, copy or music or videos, create a CD DVDs, copy musics and video to a portable devices. Portable devices means what? Pen drive is called a portable devices. Now how we can start Microsoft Media Player? First of all you have to click on start button, then there is a Windows Media Player. You can see my pointer. Okay, so whenever you click on that Windows Media Player, you will get Windows Media Player window on your screen. It is how it look like. Understood everyone? On the right hand side there are so many musics or videos available, whatever available in your computer system, that all show in the Windows Media Player. Anyone you want to play, click on that and you can play it. Clear everyone? Now the first topic of our chapter number 2 is RIP, means copy. RIP means what? Copying CD DVD to your computer. It means what? Whatever the data is available in your CD or DVD, that one you want to copy to your computer. Means suppose that there are music CD with you, but you don't want to listen by using your CD DVD, by inputting by creating your CD DVD. So at the time you want to copy that all musics of CD to your computer system. It means what? This process is known as ripping your music CD or DVD. Understood everyone? We can copy songs from our favorite music CD DVDs onto our computers with the help of Windows Media Player. When we rip music, it means that we are copying song from CD DVD to our computer. After the song have been copied to our computer, we can use Windows Media Player to play and organize the songs, create a playlist and copy music to a portable devices also. Understood everyone? So ripping means what? Copying songs or music or videos from CD DVD to our computer. This process is known as ripping. Ripping means one kind of copying data. Understood everyone? Now first of all click on start, then open Windows Media Player, then all the music list comes here, right? Then afterward insert audio CD and DVD into your CD drive. you will see the list of all songs stored on the CD in the Windows Media Player. You can see the all songs in my CD, right? Then afterward, what we have to do? There are checks box. You can see the checks box with red color mark. Click on the select all. If you want to select all, means all song you want to copy or ripping, then select all option you can choose. Otherwise, you can click check box, tick mark which song you want to copy. Otherwise, and the rest of the boxes you make it empty if you don't want to copy that music. Understood? Here is a few checkbox are filled with tick marks and few are empty. It means what? I don't want to copy that songs or a music. Clear everyone? Click on the rip CD beginning. Here is a rip CD option is there. Click on it. Then your ripping process start. Whenever the ripping process start and whatever the songs you want to copy, list comes here, okay, and it will give you the progress report of the copying songs. Ripping, whatever the songs are ripping, that process is showing here the process or mark of it. Then whatever the pending is there is showing with the mark of pending. In between you want to stop rip, you can click on stop rip option also. In additional, you want to change the setting of rip setting, then click on the rip setting button, then choose the more option for additional setting for ripping. Clear everyone? All things which will complete ripping, then that all things stored in your library, and you can create a playlist and then play the musics also. Clear everyone? Ripping process. Now we are going on burning CD DVD. Burning means what? Copying data from your computer to CD DVD. Now it is opposite. Whatever the songs or music is available in your computer system, you want to copy that music to your CD DVD. This process is known as burning CD DVD. Burning is also copying, but copying from where? From CD computer to CD DVD. Understood everyone? Before that, we have to insert our empty CD. Why empty CD? Because we are copying something into CD from computer to CD DVD. That's why we have to insert empty CD into it. Clear? Whenever you click on empty CD, it will give you the options. It will give you the autoplay options, that burn file to disk. You have to choose the burn file to disk option from this option menu. Clear everyone? Whenever you click on burn file to disk, it will give you the burn file or burn a disk dialog box. In this one, first of all, you have to give the title for this disk. Whatever the name you want to give, you can give here. Then afterward, there are two radio buttons. From the two, you can choose any one, like a USB flash drive or with a CD player, DVD player. We want to copy it into CD DVD, so we are choosing into the CD DVD radio button, and then click on the next button. Whenever you click on the next button, it's open. You have to drag the all songs which you want to burn, means copy to a CD DVD. So how we can drag it? Just click on your song, black button press, hold it down and drag it into a CD DVD drive. Clear everyone? Click and hold it down and drag it. Click, hold it down and drag it. How many number of songs you drag it into CD DVD drive? All the list comes here, and whenever you click on the burn, then all songs start to copying from your computer to CD DVD, and downside also it give you the progress of burning, means copying audios. Understood everyone? See, green mark, it's showing you the progress that how much it's burned the all songs. Whenever the all songs burn, means all songs copied to your computer to CD DVD, it will give you that burn process successful completed. Okay, and click on OK. So whenever you now open your CD DVD drive, then you can see that all songs which you burn all comes to your CD. Understood everyone? So Here we are going to stop our video. In the next session we are going to learn more topics about Windows 7, just like displaying two windows at a time, exploding pictures, this cleanup, more on Windows 7. That all topics we will learn in the next part. Okay, so everyone, just watch this video carefully. If any doubt is there, you can ask me anytime. Okay, don't feel hesitate. Okay, and ask me anytime any questions. Okay, till then, have a nice day everyone, and be happy. Bye.